Hello everyone. Today, we are checking out our new add-on, the USPS shipping method. It enables real-time USPS shipping method integration, giving the seller complete control over shipment rates, pickups, and delivery options directly from the CS cart panel. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have user guides for these extensions in our blog sections, where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. To configure the add-on, go to developers.usps.com to get the credentials for the add-on. After entering the credentials, click the Save button to store your details. Next, navigate to Settings, then Shipping Method. From here, we will add the shipping method. Let's start with rate calculation. Select WKUSPS. In the shipping service field, there are many options, but for now, we'll select Ground Advantage. Then, provide a name. Ensure the status is set to active and add an icon. Once everything is done, click the Create button to create the shipping method. After that, we move to the configuration part. Here, we will enter the maximum or minimum width, then the length, height, and girth. After that, we will choose the USPS rate indicator according to our shipping service. If we select any option that does not match the shipping service, it will show a warning indicating that it is not suitable. So, we will choose the rate indicator based on our shipping service. For example, I am selecting single piece. Now, let's move to shipping time and rates. From here, we will select the shipping time according to our countries. Then, in the test rate calculation section, we have a field called weight. Based on this, we can calculate the rate area and delivery time. For reference, we entered the value 5. Click on the Recalculate Rates button to calculate the cost, delivery time, and rate area. Finally, click the Save button to save the configuration. Now, let's move to the storefront. When any customer places an order. For reference, I am adding this product. Click on the Add to Cart button. Then click on the Checkout button. Here, you can see two shipping services. The first one is the custom shipping method, and the second one is the USPS shipping method, which also displays the estimated delivery days. Select the USPS shipping method, then choose the phone ordering option. After that, enter all the necessary details. Tick both the Terms and Conditions checkboxes, and then click on Place Order. And once our order is placed, let's move back to our CS cart panel. In our CS cart panel, we will go to the particular order. From there, we will create the shipment. We will choose the carrier as WKUSPS. You can also add a comment. Then click on the Create button to generate the shipment. After creating the shipment, we will go to the Shipment Method section. Then choose the vendor. I'm selecting CS cart and click on the Search button. Next, select your shipment ID, and from there, we will create the pickup. We will enter the name, then scroll down to the Packages section and enter the package count. Here, you can select the package type. For example, I'm selecting Priority Mail Express. Then, in the pickup location, there is a section called Package Location. From here, we can choose any location. For example, we'll select the back door. Next, we will enter any instructions. And then there is an option called Is Dog Present or Not? One important thing to note is that the pickup date must be scheduled from the next business day. So from here, we will select the date for the next business day, then click on the Create button to schedule the pickup. As you can see, our pickup has been generated successfully. Next, click on the small settings icon. Here we can see 5 options such as View, Delete, Cancel Pickup, and Completed. For now, let's view the pickup details by clicking on the View button. Here are all the details, and we can update them as well. After that, go to the Shipment method, then click on the small settings icon of any order, and select the View button. Next, click on the small settings icon again. From here, we can generate the USPS label, which is called the tracking label. Click on it. The USPS label is now created. It can be viewed by going to the order, where the WKUSPS tracking number is displayed, and the same tracking number can be seen by the customer on their order information page. Then, click on Shipment Information, and as you can see, the tracking number is also updated. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webcol.com or raise a ticket at webcol.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.